With 10 years of experience on manufacturing LED commercial lights, Elighting's core products includes LED trunking system, LED track lights, high bay, tri-proof lights, track panel lights etc. Track panel lights are widely used in the supermarket, workshops, warehouse because of their high light efficiency 155 lm/W, low UGR less than 19 and easy installation, black, white finish for option, power can be customized according to your project. Unique design with back holes mix 6063 aluminium for cooling to reach longer lifespan. Samsung's 2835 LED chip, 5000 hours lifetime and lower light decay. Beam angle 90 and double asymmetric optional according to different scenes. Unique designed PMMA optics, 95% transmittance and low UGR at the same time. Bright and comfort. The Elighting panel lights are available in two types of mounting, installed directly the track rail and suspension. In recent years, the rise of commercial real estate, so that supermarkets, shopping malls, storage, etc. are the main application of LED track panel lights.